today. I'm going to be looking at this bathroom floor. Got a problem with the toilet. It's not been fitted very well in the first place. Take it all out. Have a look what the problem is. I've got mushrooms, fungal growing in the floor. Floorboards are rotting, so I'm going to be ripping all this out and putting new floorboards in, new flooring, refitting the toilet. Right, I'm going to pull all this lino out now. Get rid of this. How easy that comes up. Full of mould. Right, get rid of that. Right, have a look at that floor now. Right. Give it a wiggle. Yep. Toilet seat like, see that's not in good nick at all. Off the floor now. Floorboards quite bad around the toilet. Cut out these floorboards here, take these out, replace them. Cut along the wall, multi-tool. Take them out, get some new floorboards, replace this section here. Right guys, back on the job now, day 2. It's all dried out nicely. Give all the woodwork some wood treatment, stop any further rot just in case. Okay, so we're outside now, just measuring up the floorboards, marking them up and putting them down, just using a circular saw with a track. Okay, so we've got all our floorboards cut down to length now. They're slightly a couple of mil bigger than the old ones, so we're just marking the last one up, which we'll take down and just plane a little bit off it. I'm going to mark up for any cutouts for pipes, and I'm going to screw these floorboards down. Okay, we've done all the cuts and floorboards now, so we're just going to fix them all down now, secure them down. We're going to have a good tidy up now, hoover up, make sure there's nothing left on the floor. We're going to measure up for chipboard flooring. And then part of the apprentice, we've got them staying up on every job, it's learning something new every day. First time using the circular saw. That's it. Well done. Just going to mark up for the pipe. Cut out bottom of the frames and architraves with a multi-tool. Most of the flooring now, so we're going to mark up for the back sink there and cut that out. Jigsaw. And that'll give us a nice bit of space there. We can use some of that to go patch that back in. Right, we've got all our floorboards in now. I'm going to start screwing it all down now. What I'm doing now is going round, screwing it down, put some glue underneath it as well, screwing it. Got the sink back in now, recharge little wall there. Got new showers just going in now. And refit the toilet. There you have it, got all the flooring now. Final floor, sink's back in, we've got a little routing to do. Doors going back on. New showers fitted. There you go. That's this job all complete now.
Please hit like, subscribe for more content coming soon.